My name is Danny Carroll Rodas. I teach Old Testament at Denver Seminary. And I'd like to encourage you to come to this conference, the Race, Reconciliation, and Immigration Conference, because those are two items that are really important in the country today. We've seen some very tragic events in different parts of the country dealing with race. So obviously the country has not been able to handle that and find an ultimate solution. So it's important that we think about this as Christians. And the other issue, of course, is immigration. We have anywhere between 11 and 12 million undocumented immigrants in this country. And we need to think through biblically and theologically and as a church how we should engage that issue as well. So I encourage you to come and to hear some very good speakers talk about these issues, to rub shoulders with people who are also interested in these topics, and we can all grow together and hopefully, with the Lord's leading, find some ways forward for the country and for the church's sake as well.